When you put on that one.
That's that one that
Here, get the camera.
welcome to this episode of the Rockin' Family Outdoor. On today's episode, me and Amber, we have these yaks packed down. We're about to go find us a cozy sandbar to spend the night on. We're gonna camp. We're gonna hopefully catch us some big old flatties. Y'all, for sure, we're gonna have a good time. So y'all stay tuned. She's sweet. No, you're good, bro. You're good. Oh, you go.
He thinks everybody's a friend.
Y'all having any luck? We just got out here, man. Y'all got in the water right when we were shoving off. Cause I heard y'all up there. I heard y'all.
Good. Yeah, we're not quiet. Have a good one, y'all. Good luck.
There's the other dog. Them twisted tees made that current go faster, don't it?
Oh, yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
Oh, that's a nice cast. Here, I'll just let you cast this one. I don't want to get you tangled up anywhere.
Get it. Hold up. Hold up.
Oh my.
Real. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Heck yeah. It's under my arm. The same thing you tell the boys not to do.
Tip up.
I'm trying. Hold on. Let me get in my gut.
Does it feel it?
Yeah, I feel it. Oh my God.
Are you hung?
I think I'm hung.
Oh man.
That's okay. We're in shallow water. We'll go over there.
It's deep right there. Pass it.
That's fine. I'll get close enough.
Do you feel the fish on there still?
Yeah. You see it?
Go out there too. If you can. Yeah, I see him. There you go. Look at my woman, bro. Look at her. She went after that fish, cuz. She went after that fish. That's good stuff right here, man. I love it, dude.
All right, buddy. Open your mouth. Come on. Where's your grippers?
But
He's got a nasty overbite.
my name's Thrill. You mean get that fish?
No, honey. How am I gonna learn? How am I gonna fish when you're no longer with me? How am I gonna fish?
What you talking about? I'm no longer with you. Yeah, she over here killing me off, cuz.
All right. All right. Here we go. First fish of the day.
He's got the bumpies on him. I think we might let him go.
All right.
See, he's got them bumpies on him.
You are lucky.
Yeah, you lucky you got a parasite, cuz.
All right. Let's let you go.
All right, let him go.
After you had sliced me up with your Brillo pad.
Well, you stuck your fingers in there.
Well, come on. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. Look, that's your fault.
Other way, cuz. Majestic. All right, Amber, say it.
All right, we didn't get skunked.
We didn't get skunked, folks. we gotta catch one for dinner. I can't have one with bumpies on it, so Maybe, hopefully we'll catch a couple more before dinner time. We got all 30 for dinner, but hopefully I want to catch, clean, cook, by God. All right, see if we can get enough.
Paddle.
Yeah.
It's a little shallow here, so I'd stick to that side.
I just want to see what's in this deep hole. Like that.
Yeah, something's about to hit mine. Something did hit mine.
Yep. Here, put that in over there.
Something hit mine.
There you go. Go. Reel.
Oh, crap, honey.
Reel. Don't let it go slack.
I'm trying.
Reel up. Pull up. Reel down.
Oh, I think it's a flathead.
We'll see. Are you stuck?
No, I'm not stuck. He's big and he's a fighter.
Pull up. Reel down. Don't let the slack out of the line.
See him? He's coming towards me. It's probably a blue.
Blue. See a blue. I see him now. Good blue. Does he have the bumpies? He does not. There you go. Awesome, dude.
Get my phone. Get a picture. Put it down my hand, slime.
Let that big guy go.
It's pretty awesome.
That is pretty awesome. It is pretty awesome.
We wasn't even here, what, 5 minutes?
No.
Barely got the last line out.
Alright, let's put some more bait on it.
That bait's gone. See, this fish set us up. We caught something in the first 5 minutes and we've been sitting here for an hour.
Yeah, but look what time it is, though. Kind of late. We caught that one. We caught that one last fish at like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. That don't mean that the fish bite won't turn on here later tonight.
There's a deep hole, like all the way across the deep hole.
And you know, we're camping. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, and you gotta understand, like I'm not just fishing in the deep hole. Like I have yours kind of on the outskirts. That one over there is kind of like, because what it is, see, there's the deep hole, and then it does this as it comes up. So I got all our baits at kind of like different levels.
Yeah.
Not just all smack in the middle of the hole.
Right, right.
Because you don't really know, you know, a lot of times they'll pick different depths to troll in. And, you know, in the current, right on the outside of the current, because you can see where the current is. See the water moving and see where it's slack on the other side of it?
Yeah.
I'm just getting some more live bait up. We had a few, but I lost a couple early, so.
Got it. Yeah, boy. It's just a baby, though.
Hey, it's a baby.
It's just a baby. Oh, that's a tick. Get it off. Get it off before it bites me. Before it bites me.
Where's that?
It's on my arm. It's on my arm. Get it before it bites me. It's right there. Oh, do I have one on my back? I bet that's what that is. No. Look at you, babe. Fix my arm.
a good one too.
I know. How many? You didn't take all of them out of the bait tank at home? You took all of them?
Yeah.
Dang. He swallowed it? No. No. Oh, and my worm's still good.
Yeah, I'm not saying that this is paradise, but this is what I hope it looks like. Just out here in it, bro. God, I love it. It's awesome. It's awesome to be out here in nature and such an awesome place and just having fun, you know? We get too caught up in work and stuff like that. We should be out here all the time. All right, y'all. So it's dinner time. So we had originally planned to do a catch, clean, cook, and we were going to do a Southern favorite fish and grits, but we didn't catch one small enough that we wanted to kill and cook. So, hey man, I've had the worst problem in the world when you can't catch a small one. So we bought a backup plan, so we're gonna have shrimp and grits. By the way, y'all, because of our new kayak adventure, y'all, I've had to go out and kind of rethink my camping supplies. So we got a bunch of new camping supplies. These chairs that y'all see, they pack down really, really small. And I'll be honest with you, this is one of the most comfortable camping chair I've ever had. Even the big ones. I mean, this thing is absolutely comfortable. Plus we got us a new pack down table. Had those. And now look, y'all look at this thing. This is the Bighorn camping stove. All nice and small. You know, they got them big ones that are like, you know, but hey, you can only fit so much on a kayak, so I had to rethink things. So y'all stay tuned. We're about to eat us some shrimp and grits.
How much?
All right, first we're gonna get our oil. All right.
Got butter too.
Good thing about being on Sandbar, I got this little pushy push leveler out. Right, we're gonna heat that up.
I really hope that this doesn't burn my table.
It's going up.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So first thing you're gonna do is get that oil going. Look at that thing burn. This thing's nice, y'all. And y'all, it's actually cheaper than most of the ones you can buy at Walmart, and it's way more compactable. All right, y'all. So done. I forgot a Ziploc bag, but you know what? This thing comes in a Ziploc bag. So I just poured the water out of it. I'm gonna pour some bread in here. The breading's already seasoned. This is Sandbar cooking, not fine cooking. Oh yeah. Huh? What better way to get interrupted by a big old takedown? All right, y'all, first batch. Done. I'm low key not gonna hate this.
I really like these little camping pots your mama got you for Christmas.
Absolutely. Yep.
No, you still got one in there. Right there. Yep. Any more?
Don't leave my friend. That's it. Stick around.
Are you sure that that thing is just lively? Because look.
Alright. Could be.
How big is the one you put on that one?
That's that one that oh.
Here, get the camera, get the camera, get the camera.
Reel. Tighten and drag, tighten and drag, tighten and drag.
Oh, holy crap, honey,
You want me to get it?
Oh, did it get off? No, it's still on there. Oh
Yeah. Over here cooking us a deluxe meal. He's still on there?
Yeah, it's still on there.
Where you at?
Right there, you see him?
Yeah.
He's going up, grab here.
That's fine. Come under the line. Come under the line. Come under.
Oh, yeah, under.
Tip up.
Up. Yeah, babe. For a little one. He's a little one.
There's a catch clean cook right there.
No, that ain't a little one.
I ain't little. He's a little decent. There you go. Well, he barely hooked too.
I'm stuck. Here, grab this. Grab this. Let me get the grippers.
Over here cooking a deluxe meal. See a rock go down.
All right. Oh, okay. Look, I got my camera.
Well, we got dinner cooking over here too.
Yeah, right.
Rudely interrupted. He just rudely interrupted dinner. All right, let's let him go.
All right.
Hey, that's still a good fish, man.
Let go. Really rough.
Majestic. That's awesome. All right, back to dinner. Second round. All right, we're gonna get us some water boil for the grits. Y'all, we cheating. What is camping? We're gonna use instant grits, but hey, we're camping, eating shrimp and grits. So, y'all know I don't like to eat boring stuff out here on the river. It don't take much to have a good meal. So, all right, let's get the water boiling. Got the water boiled. Now about to make up the grits. Have us some shrimp and grits, y'all. We already cheated and ate a shrimp, y'all. It's phenomenal.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Y'all, I can't tell y'all that little thing cooked good.
And quick.
I think it was like 23 bucks. I don't even think it was that. Super cheap.
Put the link.
I will. Y'all, all of our new camping gear that we got, the chairs, the tent, table, the stove. What else did I get?
The bed, the blanket.
Oh yeah, I got new air mattresses. All that. I also got blankets. Y'all, we just had to redo our style of camping. You know, we're used to being in a John boat and being able to carry a lot more stuff. We got everything we would have in a John boat, but everything packs down real small and we could pack it in the kayak. So I'll put all the links in the description for our new products. And if so far they're all good. The chair, this is the most comfortable camping chair I think I've ever had. That stove has been awesome. Those air mattresses, we'll let y'all know. It was you bump them up, and plus we got packed down blankets, fluffy blankets. They feel awesome. So I'll put all the links in the description to all the stuff I just bought for the camping trip. So y'all look for that.
You forgot to mention your new bait tank.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a whole video, be honest with you, a whole short. Yeah, I got one of the Whisker Seeker bait shacks. You know, I've been wanting one for a long time, and I'll tell y'all what, man, that thing is awesome. I've known about them. I was with a trip with Spencer. He had one, and I was jealous. And I've been wanting one all these years. Y'all, we have definitely this year stepped up the bait game with the tank at home. And y'all, these baits we're using now come from home, other than ones Amber caught today. But You know, from that to the the bait shack over there, primo on the bait, y'all. I'm so proud that we've stepped that up a good bit. So, all right, y'all. A little bit more aqua.
Make a little bit of a mess.
A little bit of aqua.
I didn't want to pour too much because this is styrofoam. I didn't want
to
melt the styrofoam.
Yeah. Looking delicious. I know every southerner's like, instant grits, who does it? Y'all, we on a sandbar. Y'all, this is awesome. This is so good. We're gonna eat this fine meal. I'm gonna get campfire started. It's starting to get a little chilly out here. It's supposed to cool down tonight. Plus we're a little bit wet. So I'm gonna get a little campfire going and watch the Braves game. We'll catch y'all again. We get a big old kitty on the line. Catch y'all then.
Did it get off? Huh?
Yeah.
At least your bait's still there. Is he alive?
Gotta be a gar or something.
You think so?
Yeah. For now. That's fish. Drop it.
Did you drop it?
You
Good
dropped it.
job.
Nope. Turned on itself.
What are you gonna do? Live one? Oh, that's smart. Draw blood.
But he's bleeding.
Okay.
Mateo slaps this one to first, back in by Bryce Harper. He feeds Sanchez, races to the bag, 2 out. So far today.
Big old blood.
Where's the grippers? Right here. Here, let me hold the paw.
That is one angry dude, bro. I don't know what it is, y'all. These fish in this river, this stretch of river, they just fight mean, bro. I mean, he's a little nasty. I mean, that's a 10 pound, 15 pounder, somewhere in there. Whew. It's been a while since we got woke up by bells. Awesome. Alright, let's let this guy go. Oh, yeah. I get it. Slap me, bro. I get it.
Are you having a place not fall in the water?
Another bait on there.
He was running out the tent. I'm like, slow down.
You got the pole.
I got the ball right here. Here.
So we got a bait.
Well, while you do the bait, I'm gonna lay back down.
No.
Huh? Oh, I do need to tighten mine out too. I don't like sitting straight back.
Real. You got the camera on?
I got the camera on. Oh, what did I say? They all fighters.
You make it lock.
Get them. You can get slimed. I don't want to get slimed.
Okay. Give me some slack.
Oh, no, it's going to pop back on me. Okay, there.
Channel cat.
Yeah. Bumpies.
No, he ain't gonna bump us.
You want to save them? Eat them tonight for
No, bro.
catfish nugs and grits.
We're going home tonight. He
Look at
would
them
have.
lips. I can only dream of having lips.
He would have been dinner last night for sure.
Oh yeah, definitely. All right, let him go. Hold on, we gotta. It's a new day.
It's a new day. We didn't get skunked today either.
That's the quickest escape I've ever seen.
I knew he was gonna do that too. That's why I went meow.
Look, you know what's wild though? You're literally about to move this pole over there.
Cause over there's like a possible 40.
I mean, I guess. Or it could be a possible nothing. That current's very strong. Be careful. How deep is it? You're stuck on a log? No. Yeah, there's a log stuck to you.
Come get the kayak.
Push it. It'll stay.
I had to press down on it so it would go under. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode of the Rockin' Family Outdoors. Y'all, I had big plans to get up and make a big breakfast, and we were going to take our time during the day floating out. We were going to fish spot to spot. But at 3 a.m., it started blowing 30, 40 mile an hour gust winds. So out of the caution and safety, we decided to kind of get on out of there. But hey, that's what camping and nature is all about. It's unpredictable. So y'all do me a favor. Y'all hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.